Alright, Bossolinas, there she is. We have not ridden her since the day we bought her. Got the chain maintenance. I had to buy those spools down there. I wanted black, but all they had was red, so I don't like that red though. It kind of looks like Pep Boys, you know. But it matches the rotor, so. But we have not done a cold start, nothing like that since we got her. We just rode her home. So together we will cold start this bike. Y'all ready? Put her on. I'll turn her on. Put her on. Alright, here we go. Now I did have her on a battery tender. It sounded kind of weak, huh? He said he just put a battery on her. We're still not registered or inspected yet. We got to do that Saturday. So I really don't want to go too far. But we're going to a meet. And this meet is, oh, look, that's from me. This meet is 7 minutes away. What could happen in 7 minutes? We're also squidding it. I know. Something I never do. But we're doing it. Let's go. ABS light is on. I don't know what that means. That's supposed to turn off? That's something else I don't know how to do. Change the traction. Oh, there it is. Look, 3, 2, 1. 2. I can't remember. It's 1. I don't know why the ABS light's on. What's that all about? Is it because it's telling me it's on? I'll have to look that up. Oh man, this is a big old oil slick right here. Damn. This is days old though. That's from that tow truck when it came to get my bike. It crapped all over the ground. Alright, doors closed. Oh man. Okay. Still in A mode. It's not as loud as the other bike. It's alright. Oh, ABS turned off. What the hell? I don't know. I'm not even gonna try, dude. Now y'all know I ain't gonna be crazy, because I am not wearing any gear. Whoa! Front wheel just jumped. Woo! We got her in A. I learned something about the modes too. I was wrong about that. We want to be in standard. It goes standard A, B. And that's what all the videos said too, but this dashboard had me confused. I can't wait till I'm comfortable on this thing and used to it. Pooh, then we're gonna be trouble, y'all. Oh man. You know, I was thinking it was a suspension, but now I'm starting to think it was me. It's me hitting this throttle when I hit bumps. It's twitchy as hell. Whoa, damn, bro. Oh my god. Dude, this throttle is dangerous, bro. Don't ride him first. Everybody wants to pull out today. Oh, first gear is so jerky, dude. We got it in standard too. I didn't notice that in A, but all the documentation said A is like the next step up. Oh shit, dude. Bro, that front wheel just lifts up, dude. Woo! Oh man. Woo! Bro, the other thing is, every time you get on and let off, your balls, bro, because it kicks you back so far. I like to sit right up on the tank. It kicks you back so far when it lets go of you, it slams you back forward. It's like Jeremy's GTO, bro. That thing was insane. You hit the gas and you would slam back, and or your teeth would fall out, and then you hit the clutch and it would just right fucking slam you forward. Alright, this shit's all under construction. People pulling out and don't care. Let's see if we get killed. Oh, this is dangerous. So dangerous. Yep, come through here safe, bro. It's right there. Oh, damn it. Yep. Alright. Oh yeah, got a lot of people here today, huh? TX Super Bikes. Where can I park this bad girl? Boom. Hey, what's up, bro? Me and you rode together. All right, Bossolinas, check this shit out, bro. They're pretty badass, dude. Hell yeah. How you doing, man?
What's up, man?
Oh, I like that, dude. Yeah, dude. Nice, bro. Ah, what's up, dude? I didn't even see you. Oh, wait, let me.
Oh yeah, be careful. I don't
It
hurt you.
fucking hurts.
Yeah.
I'm Alex, the guy that was messaging you about me getting the bike.
But oh yeah.
Yeah.
What's up, dude?
I was like, wait a minute, I recognize this guy.
You got a bike?
Yeah, I got it. You want to see it?
Yeah, let's go take a look at it. Yeah, bro.
Oh, she scraped like everywhere on it too.
Is everyone just leaning over if it dropping?
Oh yeah, leaning over. I scrape all the time.
Hey, look, y'all, JB-13. Hold on. Let me flip it off. Hey, what up, dude? How you doing, man? What's going on, brother? That shit still does hurt, though, bro.
Yeah,
It's getting better, though.
What's a new bike, bro?
Yeah, Jigsaw. So good. Oh, I like that pipe, bro.
My homegirl bike.
I like that little thing, though.
That's our bike with the red shirt on right
Oh,
there.
yeah. She... Oh, look, it's Arizona T guy. Yeah, dude. What's up, bro? How you doing, man? Bro, you in like half my videos, bro. Yeah, dude. Where's that Triumph at? Is it here?
It's here.
It's here? Hell yeah, bro. Hey, look, y'all. It's Jay. What's up, Jay? How you doing, bro?
How you doing?
Where's the rest of your bike at?
Oh, it fell off. I don't know.
Oh,
I got
you didn't even know it was just going.
I got another brake set coming.
Oh, look, senpai. SV-650. What's up, Salinas? We getting out of here. My battery died, so. What's up, dude? How you doing, man? Yeah, bro.
My buddy Kyle.
Yeah, I remember. Yeah, dude. What up? I'm getting out of here. Woo! Good seeing you, dude. Yo, that's F-Body Kyle, bro. That dude's cool as shit. Oh, it does that? I gotta fix that tail light. I don't like that blinky shit. Hell yeah, Salinas, that was fun as shit. My camera battery died, so I couldn't say, all right, we're getting out of here. But we getting out of here. Hell yeah, that was fun, bro. They had a ton of bikes out there. Can y'all even see anything right now? Oh. Nah. See? See? Is that what you want? Oh. You want to hit a hole and then hit that at 97 miles an hour? Holy shit, dude. Bro, I don't even know if I can have fun on this thing. Oh, put her in forward just to tame it a little bit. Bro, I don't even know if I can enjoy this. It almost, dude, no lie, bro. When you hit it, it feels like it's ripping your arms off. I can't see nothing. I got a tinted visor. Yo, I have not ridden at night since, dude, I probably haven't ridden at night in a year. Can't see nothing. It's been a very long time since I rode at night. Dude, you can't. Woo! Yo, hey, Salinas, thanks for hanging out with me today on a Thursday. We don't ever go out on Thursday either. I had fun, man. We've seen a lot of people. We've seen JB-13. We've seen Jigsaw. We've seen F-Body Kyle. We've seen Little Blue Duck. We've seen Sully. We've seen Chuck. But we saw everybody, dude. Tonight was fun. Man, this thing is almost on... Oh, almost unrideable. All right, Salinas, I love you guys. Thanks again, man. I'm gonna give you the whole 7-minute ride home. Literally, like right down the street. That was cool. Woo! This girl gets, bro. We'll get used to her eventually. Definitely gonna take some getting used to. She sounds good though. All right, Bossalinas, love you guys. Thank you.